Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create a bootable USB Windows 10 drive. This is going to allow us to install Windows 10 on any computer. All it needs is a USB port and this little USB, and I'm going to be showing you step by step how to create this. Let's jump right into this. So I will mention we are going to need at least an 8GB USB stick for this to work, and we're going to be creating specifically a USB version of this software. So the first thing I need to do is plug our USB into our computer. I currently have my 32GB SanDisk plugged in right now. I would also recommend using a 3.0, so the blue USB if possible. The speeds will be a little bit quicker creating this, and also a little bit quicker installing Windows once we get our bootable drive created. From this point, what we're going to be doing is coming to this link. Links as always in the description down below, and this is going to be from the Microsoft Windows 10 website. What we're going to be doing is scrolling down here until we see the section create Windows 10 installation media. What we're going to be doing is clicking the download tool now, and a download tool is going to start to download. Once this exe is downloaded, I'm going to move it to a location where I can find it easily. So currently it's on my desktop right now, and I'm going to be double clicking to run this exe. We'll have to click yes on the pop-up that shows up, and then we will get this Windows 10 startup window right here. Now you may have to be a little bit patient here. This took a couple seconds to load for me, but it shouldn't take too long. The first thing we're going to have to do is accept the terms and conditions here. It's going to start to get a few more things ready. We will then have two options: either upgrade this PC now or create installation media. In this case, we're going to be selecting create installation media. We're going to be clicking next again. Here we will then see the predefined Windows settings. What we can do is uncheck the recommended amount, and we can change any of the settings here. We can choose a selected language, we can choose an edition, and we can even choose the architecture, 32, 64, or both. In today's video, I'm just going to be using the 64-bit. However, you can choose whatever best suits you. When you're happy with all of your settings, we can click next again, and then we can choose USB flash drive or ISO file. In today's video, as mentioned, we're going to be using a USB flash drive, and again, it mentions here we need at least 8GB in size. Once we have this selected, we're going to be clicking next again, and then we're going to have to select the drive that we would like to use. Now for today's video, how we can check this is by opening up a file manager. We can click on this PC, and here we can see all current drives connected. Now the USB drive that I want to use is my H drive, so it's the ESD USB, and you can see it's a 32GB stick here. So all I need to remember is the extension H, and you can see I have that back here, so I just look for the H extension. Now it is worth mentioning that this is going to completely format and remove all of the information from your drive. So if you want to back up anything, it is recommended doing that now, because any data on here will be lost, and we're going to be creating a brand new clean bootable Windows 10 USB stick. Click next again, and now your drive will start to process and start to configure. Once your flash drive is ready, you will get this screen. Your USB flash drive is ready. It will then mention the drive that it actually is on. If we click this here, we will actually be able to open the drive and see all the information that is inside it. So here, if we open it up, we can see the setup.exe and then all of the different files and information that is needed to set up a fresh Windows install. Anyway guys, it's as easy as that to create a Windows 10 USB bootable drive. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.